to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Alright, I just finished up with the cutting board. Now it's time to put everything back together. I got mostly new stuff to go on it, pretty much. Trying to round it up now. I got a lot of it outside. Here goes some of the stuff from LMC truck. I also got some more stuff here. I ordered off eBay, weather stripping. More weather stripping. Got some LEDs in here. Headlight, bezels, grill, emblems. Also the fifth wheel there. I made a custom rack to hold the fifth wheel because the original one wasn't gonna work. So gotta put it on. Got a new bumper here. Some more pieces here. I just painted the glass here. Well, not the glass, but the trim go around it, the vent glass. And my SD card got full, so it cut me off. But I guess I started putting the door weather stripping on and put this glass here on. But I gotta put this on first to put the weather stripping on. I'm working on the passenger side now, putting the glass in and the weather stripping. Let me show you the driver's side. I already got the driver's side done. All right, let me give y'all an update. Last video, well, last clip, I showed y'all I put that weather stripping in and the glass in. And I started putting the glass in over here. I haven't been recording. I still gotta, I'm gonna put some glue up here to hold this in place. But I got the top on. Raw, came raw and on it came, so they gave me a hand.
What's up, y'all? Y'all know what it is.
There they go.
My man about to be out here with his shirt off, blessing. Let y'all see what it is, man, representing SprayWay. You know what I'm talking about with that paint job.
Yeah. So they finna help me put the custom tie rack with a fifth wheel rack carrier, whatever you want to call it. Well, I got some help, so they gonna help me do it. That's why I ain't cut y'all on when we was putting the top on. But it's coming together now. We had the rack on last night, but I took it off this morning because we test fitted the wheel, the fifth wheel on the back, and it was sticking out too far. It was sticking out around about this far. So I didn't like it, and the owner, he didn't like it. So I took it off and I cut, I'm not sure how much I cut off of it, but I cut this much off of it on both sides, and I had re-welded it. I got it over here drying up. I sprayed some spray paint on it. So I had cut it off and dropped it down, re-welded it. So once I get some help, we'll put it back on and test fit it again. But now, since I got the rack off, I might as well go ahead and put this on. It goes right here. I already got the lock in. Goes right here. All right, I got that on. I'm really jumping all over the place. I'm gonna put the emblem on next. I got one for the front and one for the back. Goes right here. But I got the locks and with the handle and the locks in over here. Still gotta do the other side. We got new locks as well. So I guess once I put this emblem on, I'll do the locks and the handles on this side. Need to put this speaker box in the truck, get it out the way. Here go the other handle, driver's side, and the lock is somewhere right here. I don't remember what I showed you the last time, but I guess I can walk you around, show you some of the stuff that I think that I did after the last clip. I put the mirror on this side, but still gotta do the other side. Got the lock and handle on both sides done now. Put the fifth wheel on. That's how I look after I did the cut. Got the emblem on. About to install the tag. The juice. Gotta put the mirror on this side. Here's the mirror there. And after that, I might just jump up here on the front. Gotta install that piece, and the grill, the headlight bevels, and the bumper. I got all that here. Well, I got the bumper. It's in the back. Still quite a few parts we need to install, but we get it. See, I got the badges on now on both sides. Well, I gotta do something else that I wasn't planning on doing. I gotta put some wheel lights on. The owner brought me these, so I guess I gotta take the wheels back off and install them. Got all the hardware and the remote. I'm working on the last light now, wheel light. I gotta install this one up here on the front. I already got the hose drilled. Let me show you what I got going on before it's the rest of them. Got the back down, you can see here. Wires nice and tucked. Take it to the other side. Same with this side here. The front, the wheel back on. But you still can see the light here. And we also went ahead and did the underbody. We sprayed some spray paint on it since we had the wheels off. Alright, let me finish up. Once I get them installed and hooked up, I'll cut you back on to show you what they look like before I move on to the next step. I'm finishing up all the wiring for the wheel lights. Got the box back here. We got a panel to go back here, so it's gonna be covered up. Let me show you before I put the wheels on. It's a, let me see. It's an app you can put on your phone where you'll be able to control it. It also comes with a remote. The remote here. Make sure the battery plugged up. Alright, let's see what we got. We're gonna hit the on. Got different settings on it, colors and stuff. Look like it's just rotating all the colors now. Well, I thought it was. Let me hit this orange. Look at the lights off. Might give you a better look. I can take you around here with a wheel on. That's that orange. I think that's red, green. Look like it's, I guess that's blue. Look purple on the remote. White. It's all kind of different settings, but y'all get the picture. Let me finish putting the wheels on, then I guess we'll do this grill, grill and the headlight bezels. All right, I'm about wrapping it up. I got the grill on, as you can see. Bumper with the Rucci Wheels tag, custom. I still got to put this trim on this side here. This side trim, I got to put the windshield trim. I'm missing some clips, so the owner, he going to grab some, so I have that done. But I wanted to cut you back on before it get dark, because I might not be able to finish before it get dark, so I wanted to give you a shot of everything. But if I don't finish, I'll do another video, pull it out in the sun, clean it up, and I'll probably take it to the gas station, show it to you under the gas station lights. So y'all stay tuned. Still gotta tighten this cap up. Let me shut this tailgate and I'll show you the fifth wheel. Well, you already done seen the fifth wheel, but you ain't seen it. I don't know, you probably have seen it with all the trim on. Wait 1 second.
Stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stop. Right from